Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Before starting with the video, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon for latest updates. So as you all people are eagerly waiting for the ECET hall tickets, so finally the Telangana State Council for Higher Education has released the hall tickets of TS ECET 2020. As you all know that the matter of conducting all the TS set is in the High Court, but the TSCHE has released the TS ECET hall tickets, and they had also updated on the official website regarding the examination date. So they have said that the examination of TS ECET will be conducted on August 31st. So this is the official website of TS ECET 2020. The website link I will be provided in the description. By that you can directly download your TS ECET 2020 hall ticket. So here you can see the download hall ticket option. So after clicking that option you can directly download your hall ticket. So after clicking on that option you will be redirected to this page. So here you should have to enter your registration number, qualifying hall ticket number and date of birth. Then you should have to click on download hall ticket. So like this you can download your TS ECET 2020 hall ticket. So if you talk regarding the TS EAMCET 2020 hall tickets, this is the official website of TS EAMCET 2020. Here you can see the download of hall tickets. Start and finish date will be initiated due course of time. So they had not updated regarding TS EAMCET hall tickets 2020 on official website. So we should have to wait for TS EAMCET 2020 hall tickets. So you people don't worry. The final decision of conducting TS ECET, TS EAMCET on all the sets of Telangana will be taken by the TS High Court. So we should have to wait for the final decision of TS High Court on conducting of all the sets of Telangana. But you people keep go on studying, otherwise you will face a lot of problem if the Telangana High Court approves the date of conducting of TS ECET on 31st August and TS EAMCET as the schedule released by the TSCHE. So we can expect within 2 to 3 days the final judgment of TS High Court on conducting of set exams. So that's all for this video. Make sure to share this informative video with your friends and family members. Make sure to comment your reviews regarding conducting of all the sets of Telangana including TS ECET, TS EAMCET in this pandemic condition. Thanks for watching.